Hey y'all, hey, Mandy here, and today we are filming my Petit Vour August 2022 unboxing. But before we get started, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you can stick around for my future videos. As always, comments and questions can go down below. And let's talk about a product I'm wearing on my eyes because it just came in this month's Kinder Beauty box. So I am wearing a color from the Aether Beauty palette that came, and I'm wearing the color Full Moon, which is this color right here, this really pretty taupey color. I'm wearing that all along the lid, patted in. It's a really good one and done color. I did take a little of a soft brown and just kind of edge it out a little, but otherwise it's really pretty. I couldn't wear a ton of these colors today because the shirt that I decided to wear today is much more warm than this is, but that particular color looks really beautiful all over the lid, and I think it's really nice. There was a tiny bit of fallout, but not a ton, just a little bit, nothing too crumbly or anything, so it was nice. And I packed that on with this brush that came in that box as well, the Alamar brush, and this is their pigment packer brush. So this was actually really nice to pack the pigment on and get it on the lid too. So two products that I just got, and I'm liking both of them so far. So now let's take a look at what came in the Petit Vour box. So here's our card for the month. It's a little pink color scape and it says La Dolce Vita. We're getting 4 products this month. Let's go ahead and dig in. Okay, so the first one I'm pulling out is called Pure Plum Antioxidant Oil, and it looks like this is a Petit Vour own product. They must have started their own product line. So, yep, it is their own product. It's a $36 value for 1 ounce, a concentration of organic plum extracts to brighten, plump, and visibly restore skin. Full of antioxidants, omegas, oleic acid. Pure Plum protects against radical damage and oxidative stress and aids in cellular repair, sebum production, and skin turnover. So there is no ingredient listed on this bottle, so I'm going to take a brief hiatus, go check and see what the ingredients are, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have the ingredients for Pure Plum right in front of me, and it's literally just Prunus domestica seed oil. So it's just prune seed oil, which I highly doubt that there's anything wrong with that. So I'm going to use this. It's very interesting, very curious about this, and also love that they're starting their own product line. Good for them. The next item in the box is from IB, or maybe it's Launay. I don't know. It's the Purifying Face Wash and Mask. So it looks like Launay is the brand name, and this Purifying Face Wash is a $16 value for 1 ounce, a skin transforming cleanser that's pH balanced and microbiome friendly and effectively cleanses the skin without drying or stripping. Packed with powerful ingredients, Purify is formulated to neutralize free radicals and to tone sagging skin while aiding skin imbalances. So that's interesting. I wonder why it says "and mask," but in this description it mentions nothing about being a mask. So that is interesting. Although there's instructions on the back for if you want to use it as a mask. I'm probably just going to use this as a cleanser. I'm always happy to get another cleanser, and a $16 value is not terrible on top of the $36 that this oil costs, so not terrible. I've said it before, retail value is kind of arbitrary. They can price it however they want, but if we're just looking at the numbers on the card, that's a pretty good value so far. Next we have a product from Evio Beauty, and I tend to like when we get things from them. I love their packaging. I love that shade of green that they use. Anyway, this is their Velvet Color Stick, and I guess the color is Where You Can. That's what it says on the bottom. It's an interesting name for a color, but alright. Let's take it out of the box. And there is that packaging. I love that beautiful green. Love this packaging. And here is the color. Looks kind of dark, but it might be more sheer when we swatch it. Oh no, that's a pretty intense color. So I'm assuming this can be used on the lips, which is why it's so intense, but I guess it could be used on the cheeks as well. So let's go ahead and sheer it out some and see how it looks. So there we go. It shears out really nicely and easily. I didn't have to fuss with it or tug too hard. And if I used a lighter hand than I did with that swatch, I think this would be a really nice color on me. But since it does go on so pigmented, I think this could probably work for much deeper skin tones as well. So this Evio Velvet Color Stick is a $24 value for 0.32 ounces. So that's another pretty decently priced item. Use this soft buildable color with a satin finish for eyes, cheeks, and lips. Oh, so you can use it on your eyes too. I don't know that I put this particular pinky red on my eyes, but that's cool that you can. Create a naturally radiant monochromatic look with one stick, or mix and match for a bold look. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, I don't know that I'd want that on my eyes, although I guess if you're going for a specific look, it could be cool. Then the last item in the box is from Andalou Naturals, and this is the Citrus Sunflower Shower Gel. So just a body wash, which is, I don't know, not bad. I will always use a body wash, so I'm happy to get one. And this, of course, is going to be a lesser price. This is a $3.50 value for 1.7 ounces. And it says the skin conditioning gel blends emollient-rich rosehip and argan oils with coconut butter and gentle cleansing botanicals for fresh, healthy-looking skin. So, always happy to get a body wash because I will use a body wash. Always happy to get a face wash because I will use a face wash. Really pleased that there's actually nothing terrible in this ingredient list. It's just one item. So I'm very excited to try this and see what kind of results it might produce. And this was a beautiful makeup product. I'm always excited to try Evio products. For the most part, I've really liked the things I've gotten from them. I think there was like one thing I gave away to a friend, but the color didn't look right on me. But yeah, very happy with this box. I'm gonna give this an A+. I'm pretty satisfied. Even though it's not anything crazy, it's not reinventing the wheel, it's all simple stuff. It's all stuff I will use and stuff that is formulated well. So I'm excited to try these items. I'm really happy with this August Petit Vour box. So if you guys enjoyed the video, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. Let me know what you thought of this month's box, and I'll talk to you all later.